Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making green peas paneer pulao. Oil 3 tablespoon, paneer 150 grams. Saute for 2 minutes. Keep aside. Shazira half tablespoon, whole spices, chopped onion 1 cup, 1 green chilli. Fry until changes color. Green peas 1 cup. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Fry for 3 minutes. Salt as per taste. Fried paneer. Soaked rice 1 cup. Water 2 cups. Cook on high heat for 10 minutes. Close the lid, cook on high heat for 10 minutes. At this point, cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Fried onion on top. Coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.